Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Haryana or 10-line essay on the topic My State Haryana. Let's start. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The first line is, Haryana is among the northernmost state in India. Line number 2. It is also known as the home of gods. Third line, it is the land where the Kurukshetra war took place. Fourth line, its regional language is Haryanvi. The fifth line is, it is one of the most agriculturally advanced states in India. The sixth line is, it is a well-developed industrial state as well. Line number 7 is, this state is one of India's largest automobile hubs. Eighth line is, besides being an automobile hub, it is an advancing IT center of the country. Line number 9, it is the third ranked software exporter in India. The last line and the 10th line is, It is one of the significant progressive states of India.